Coupe-like SUVs are all the rage, and Buick, known for its refined semi-luxurious crossovers, is jumping into the fray with the 2024 Envista. While it may not deliver sporty handling or blazing acceleration, the Envista's turbocharged 1.2-litre three-cylinder engine, producing 136 horsepower, and 6-speed automatic transmission offer a smooth drive tailored for city streets rather than off-road adventures. It's front-wheel drive only, ideal for cruising through mall parking lots. What truly sets the Envista apart is its starting price of under $25,000. Despite the affordable price tag, it comes packed with features like an 8.0-inch digital gauge display, automatic high-beam headlamps, lane keeping assist, and an 11.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Every Envista comes equipped with a turbocharged 1.2-litre three-cylinder engine generating 136 horsepower. With no all-wheel drive option, all models feature front-wheel drive paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. The Envista isn't designed for speed or sharp cornering. It's crafted for a smooth, quiet ride, offering confident and poised handling, precise steering, and a firm brake pedal. The estimates fuel efficiency at 28 mpg in the city and 32 mpg on the highway. Overall, the Envista delivers a comfortable and controlled driving experience ideal for relaxed cruising. The Envista excels in offering plenty of convenience features and desirable tech gadgets, including a large glass panel on the dashboard that houses both a digital gauge display and an infotainment touchscreen. The Envista's dashboard includes two digital displays, an 8.0-inch unit for the gauge cluster and an 11.0-inch touchscreen for infotainment. Additionally, there's a dedicated panel for climate controls below a center-mounted dash vent. Buick's latest software powers the Envista, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot, ensuring a connected and convenient driving experience. The price of the 2024 Buick Envista starts at $23,495 and goes up to $29,695 depending on the trim and options. What are your thoughts on this car? Share your opinions in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this.